Hey folks, Mike McCormick here out in front of the Modern Muscle Car showroom in Central Florida. I want you to have a look at what we've got here today. This is a badass on steroids. This is a 2019 Performance Pack Mustang GT. It's a one-owner car. It just turned 2,000 miles. But this is really something special. This has got the Hellion Twin Turbo kit. And that pushes this car to over 1,000 horsepower at the flywheel. It actually put down 869 rear wheel horsepower. Just like brand new, like I said, just turned over 2,000 miles. It's a 10-speed auto. Inside we've got touchscreen navigation, dual zone climate control, XM radio, and it's got even more mods than that. It's got the Eibach Sports Suspension, which lowers it a little bit. We've got Ferrada 19-inch wheels on it, Nitto drag radials, full Corsa exhaust, and this is ready to go here at Modern Muscle Cars. Unbelievable horsepower, unbelievable price. More than $75,000 spent on this ride. It's just exactly like brand new. You can't tell any difference. Come down and have a look at it. Give us a look on the web, ocalamuscle.com.